Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. You guys can see it over there. It's 128 GB and the color is Phantom Gray. You guys can... So I guess we'll open it. First comes this paper that says Samsung. This to the side, and then we have the phone. You guys can see. So one thing I also noticed, they have the same packaging that's the same size as the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this also doesn't come with a charger now, the charging brick now, and headphone. Inside this, the only other thing is this box with the USB-C charging. Terms and conditions thing, and yeah. So you guys can see here, this is the S21. So one thing I do like is how it's like, it's not that wide, it's not that big, and it's like, it's good to like hold. So that's the front. Here's the back. This has 3 cameras, 1 flash. It's in Phantom Gray. You guys can see it right there. This also has in-screen fingerprint reading. So how do I do that? Yeah, so here you guys can see there's like a fingerprint thing, and it also has Face ID too, so it has both if you want to do it. And they don't have a notch, but instead this little they have the circle thing. Oh, the punch hole camera thing. You guys can see it. The phone here, we also have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This phone here is, I guess you could say in a way, like the equivalent, not the equivalent, but like it's a little bit, it's mostly the same. So we're gonna test out, we're gonna see them side by side. So the 12 Pro Max is bigger. It's probably a little bit smaller than the S21 Ultra. That is. It's also wider too, but this one has this one's curved, this one isn't. You can see that. And the back is the most notable because it has the cameras on the side and the camera's box right over there. Okay, so we're gonna first test out the ultra wide cameras on both. Both go to 0.5 zoom, so that's their ultra wide is both have the same ultra wide. In the ultra wide, the S21 was a little bit brighter and stuff. Not bright, it had a little bit more white light around it. You guys can also see the light in the background. Now we're gonna also test out the 1 zoom, and then in the normal one, it was also a little bit more vibrant, I guess you could say. So now we're gonna try out their telephoto camera or their zoom camera. So iPhone first again. So this starts at 2.5x, so we're gonna start at that. Now we're gonna try out Samsung at 3x. That's what theirs is. There's a difference over there. The S21 looks still better a little bit, not completely. I feel like the Apple one has more detail. And now we're gonna try out their max zoom. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a max zoom of 12x, while the Samsung has a massive zoom of 30x. In a massive zoom thing, the S21 clearly wins that because it has such a huge zoom. The one thing that the iPhone 12 Pro Max has that none of the S21 have, which I'm pretty sure they don't, is the LiDAR sensor, or any kind of sensor at all, I think. So this one does not have like a 3D scanner, so this might take better night photos because it can like scan the area, I guess, and it'll be better at AR too. So this is a pretty cool phone. I actually like holding this and stuff. It's pretty like light too. So thank you guys for watching this video. So remember to like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye!